Widespread flooding in Pakistan is so devastating, and the vast majority of the folks that are affected are so poor, they really don't have the resiliency or the elasticity to bounce back from this.
At the peak, more than a third of the country was underwater and more than 30 million people were affected by these floods. GlobalMedic's rapid response team is on the ground continuing to support families who have been affected by this flooding. We're doing this in a number of ways. Firstly, through the provision and access to clean drinking water.
So we've actually got a point of source unit up and running in order for local feeding kitchens to have clean water so they can cook food and feed thousands of people daily. And we've been sending in thousands of our family emergency kits with a simple 2-bucket solution that mom and dad are able to assemble. There's no moving parts, it doesn't need electricity, and then clean, safe drinking water is stored in the bottom bucket. We've got some room in those kits, so we add in hygiene items like soap to keep the kids healthy and clean. We're also giving families a solar light because, let's face it, no one has power or light at night.
We're also providing oral rehydration salts to help make sure that people do not get dehydrated and do not suffer from illnesses because of that. It's really, really easy once you are dehydrated to get sicker and potentially die, especially with children who have been affected by this flooding. We want to make sure that that doesn't happen, and so we're providing oral rehydration salts both directly to families as well as to healthcare centers to be dispensed as needed to help keep people healthy and safe.
In addition to all that, we're running a food program. So we're actually helping to feed people by providing them with like daily readily cooked meals so they can eat right away. And then we're providing a food hamper pack, like a ration, with everything that locals like to eat, from wheat to ghee to oil to sugar to flour and dal and beans, right? And we're giving a family about a month-long supply of it. So thousands of those kits are going out.
The rapid response team is on the ground continuing to monitor changes in the situation, and we will continue to adapt our response as necessary to support the people of Pakistan.